quick lunch idea. 2 main ingredients, and then you choose 1, 2, 3 or 6. Let's go. 2 simple steps and then we cook them. We're going to make a marinade. Ooh. How much peanut butter? I pop in 2 spoons. Apart from my crispy tofu that you'll have to check out, this is my second favourite tofu recipe. I've only got a wee spoon, but 2-ish spoons of soy sauce. You've got to whisk it up to a nice smooth paste. Right. Oh, Amazon woman. Couple of teaspoons of sesame seeds. Couple of little amount of garlic. A dash of onion powder. I think this says chili powder. It looks like it. Small amount of chili powder. And I love to add some lemon juice. It gives it that tangy flavour. Oh, yummy. Right, so we give that a stir. This is quite a good consistency. You want it a little bit thicker so the tofu will stick to it. What we do is get a packet of tofu, squeeze the juice out. So pull it out of the packet. And you can cut it in cubes if you're fussy, but I just like to break off pieces because it's kind of nicer. Just break some pieces off, put them in the marinade. If at any time you feel that it's too thick, the marinade, just add a little bit more water. Yummy, yummy. This is looking exciting. Stir it all around, coating all the tofu. Make sure all the tofu is coated. Now let's cook it. I'm going to add a mixture of light oil and a drop of sesame oil, not too much because it's very strong. I can smell the sesame oil. This is going to be yummy. I've turned the heat down to low so we don't burn it. What you do now is carefully add some dollops of this. Put the lid on, cook for a few minutes on the lowest heat possible. A little bit hard. Normally I'd cook these in an oven, but we don't have one, so we have to compromise. I'll find the easiest way to turn them over. And cook for about another 2 or 3 minutes.
Ooh, it smells good. You can really smell the sesame seeds. Yum, can't wait to try it.
Just going to flip it over and see how we're going. Oh, looking nice and toasty. The main thing is to make sure that it's nice and hot and cooked through, and then you can just get the bites off. Really yummy bites. Pop it on some paper towels. Let's go taste it.
Yum. I'm going to put some sweet chili sauce on mine. See what they taste like with and without. The chili. Smooth in the centre, nutty on the outside, and of course the crunch from the peanut butter along with the toasted sesame seeds gives it a really good contrast, and the sweet chili sauce just gives it that little extra flavour.
You've got to try these and let us know what you think. If you want some more yummy recipes, hit that subscribe button.